Hi friends, welcome to our channel. We are going to learn about the benefits and drawbacks of debt financing. Debt financing is a method of raising funds for a business by borrowing money, often through loans or the issuance of bonds. It allows companies to leverage external capital to finance their operations, expansion, or investments. Definition of funding via debt. Debt financing is a method of raising capital by borrowing funds from external sources such as banks, financial institutions, or investors. The borrowed funds are repaid with interest over a specified period, and the lender may have the right to claim assets or take legal action in case of default. Debt financing allows businesses to access additional funds to support growth, expansion, or operational needs. Benefits of taking out debt. Debt financing allows businesses to maintain ownership and control, as the repayment of debt does not involve sharing profits or decision-making with investors. The disadvantages of debt financing. One of the disadvantages of debt financing is the interest payments that need to be made, which can add to the financial burden of the business. Examples of debt financing. One example of debt financing is when a company issues bonds to raise capital for its projects or operations. Bonds are essentially a form of loan, where the company borrows money from investors and promises to pay them back with interest at a later date. Comparison of debt finance to other types of funding. Debt financing involves borrowing money that must be repaid with interest, usually from a bank or other financial institution. Unlike equity financing, debt financing does not dilute ownership in the company. However, it requires regular interest payments, and the principal amount must be repaid in full within a specified time frame. Factors to consider while selecting debt finance. When choosing debt financing, it's essential to consider the interest rates and repayment terms to ensure they align with your business's financial capabilities. Conclusion and review of advantages and downsides. In conclusion, the advantages of the English language include its widespread usage, global business and communication opportunities, and access to a wealth of literature and media. However, the language's complexity and nuances can pose challenges for non-native speakers. Thank you very much, and we appreciate you spending the time to view this presentation. We greatly value your input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.